In this video, I'm going to show you how to create high-quality AI images with GPT and, more importantly, how to get a true 4K result. Can adding 4K output to your prompt really generate a 4K image? Let's find out. First, I'll use GPT to generate an image. Here's the prompt I'm using. And here's the result. It looks great, but there's one important thing we need to check: the actual resolution. As you can see, the actual resolution is only 1672 by 941 pixels. Adding 4K output to your prompt doesn't necessarily give you a true 4K image. So, what's the better way to get a true 4K AI image? This is where HitPaw FotorPea comes in. Instead of trying to force the image model to generate 4K just by adding 4K to the prompt, we can use FotorPea's AI enhancer to upscale the image to 4K. I'll simply upload the image I generated with GPT, select the AI enhancer, and upscale it to 4K. And here's the result. Now, the final image is 3840 by 2160 pixels, making it a true 4K image. Let's compare them side by side. And as you zoom in, you can see that the 4K version has much more detail and a cleaner, sharper appearance. So, if your AI-generated image isn't actually 4K, don't worry. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the download link in the description. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.